Recording? Yeah. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a 2018 GLC 300 with a 2.0 4-cylinder engine. It's a M274. The old one used to be M270. It's the same engine, the same junks. They say they used to fix these cars. They update the camshaft, they update the internal parts. It's not true. They are the same. We still have the old problem here, like on the older Mercedes, like 2015 when they came on the market with this engine. It's P0341 and P0016. The position sensor for the intake camshaft, cylinder bank 1 has a malfunction, and the second codes tell us the position, for the intake camshaft cylinder bank 1 deviates from the position of the crankshaft. So like correlation codes would be easy, for some people who don't wanna, focus too much on the description of the code. The number 3 we have here, the third code we have the actuation of the valve for the wheel pump. It's an electrical circuit. Honestly, Mercedes-Benz, when you scan the car, they tell you like to ignore the code and just erase. Maybe one of like 10-15 cars are gonna show you a check engine light for the third code. Mostly they'll just show you the code with the computer when you scan it. It's not going to the OBD, you're not gonna fail inspection, nothing. But the first 2 codes we have to fix it because it's popping the check engine light and you can damage the engine. We already know the issue with this car. We know the problems. It's not the first one, it's not the last one. We do this every single week and every single month. It's part of our business. So I'll show you right here. We have issue with the older one. This is a car that we did it like maybe like a week ago, and now we're gonna do the same with this one. And once I'll take it apart, I'll show to you what we see, what's the problem here. But I think the camshafts are down to like the old one. And hey guys, let's do this, and good luck to me. Okay everybody, it's actually next week here. We have the camshafts out, we have the gears out with everything that we need to inspect. We're gonna change the gear in our case, it's damaged inside, and we're gonna change the intake camshaft because the plate moved back by maybe 2 or 3 millimeters. We recommend to replace the exhaust camshaft too, just in case, because we have them out. The customer agreed to do this. The camshaft honestly doesn't even look so bad. It's very good, both of them. And it's kind of sad because Mercedes-Benz, they do know about this issue. Starting from C-Class, A-Class, CLA, all the 2.0, M270, 274, this type of engine, they have issue. The camshafts, they're good, it's just the plate moves back. We're gonna order the parts, we'll have them maybe tomorrow morning. So I hope everything will gonna be done by tomorrow afternoon, and we'll see guys how runs after. If you got any question, please let me know. We have everything cleaned here. We ordering O-ring here. We cleaned everything. Now we have the camshafts brand new, both of them, left and right. The gears. We have all the specs right here, how much to tight everything. So let's do this. Okay guys, we put everything back. We gotta do a quick wash, but after we start the car to see how it runs. We put everything back, new gasket in the back of the vacuum pump. We did the O-ring here, it's very important underneath here, don't forget guys please. We did everything. We put coolant, we did the oil change before, we just put a new, right now a new filter. But let's hear it for the first time, how it runs. I just hope we're gonna start the battery. So guys, after driving for like half an hour, everything seems to be good. We have the computer here, no more codes, no more camshaft issue, no more timing chain codes. So thank you for watching. If you need any information, if you need any, I don't know, like specs about, you know, torque or something like this, just you know, put down in the comment or contact me directly on my Instagram. And again, thank you for watching and good luck to you guys. Have fun.